Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the operators. Operators are used to perform various tasks on values such as addition, subtraction, etc. Operators can be divided into various groups like arithmetic, relational, assignment, conditional, logical, and bitwise operator. First, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is used to perform mathematical calculations on numerical values. Here, this is the list of arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. Here, the addition operator can also be used to concat two strings together. Here, this is the example of concatenation of string. This is the string 1 and this is the string 2, and the result of both strings addition is stored into result variable which belongs to string. Next, relational operator. Relational operator is used to compare two values. Here, this is the list of operators: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Next, assignment operator. This is the most common operator which is used in every programming language, which is used to assign value to the variable. It is represented by is equal to sign. Here, this is the example of assignment operator. In this, value 1 is assigned to variable a, which belongs to integer. Same way, string test is assigned to variable name, which belongs to string. Next, conditional operator, which is also known as ternary operator. We can evaluate the expression conditionally. Conditional operator is shorthand of if then else statement. Here it is the syntax of conditional operator. Here boolean is data type. It has only two values. One is true and another is false. Expression: question mark, operand 1, colon, operand 2. Now let's go through how this conditional operator is working. First, this question mark and colon operator evaluates an expression which may also be an operand and returns operand 1 if the expression is true. Otherwise, returns operand 2 if the expression is false. We can understand this by this diagram. Here, this is the expression. If this expression is true, then operand 1 will return the value. Otherwise, operand 2 will return the value. Next, logical operator. Logical operator evaluate operand from left to right until the result can be determined. This is the list of logical operator: and, or, not. Functions at logical operator. And if any operand is false, then result will be false. If both operands are true, then result will be true. Next, or. If any operand is true, then result will be true. If both operands are false, then result will be false. Not. If expression is true, then result will be false. If expression is false, then result will be true. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is used to evaluate individual bits to particular integer value. This is the list of bitwise operator: bitwise AND, bitwise inclusive OR, bitwise exclusive OR, signed left shift, signed right shift, unarrayable.